kicking off, I would like to read out the names of the sponsors and the media partners who have been behind the scene in creating the whole scenario of the MISS KYF 2023. First of all, I would like to thank Chief Sponsor of the MISS KYF 2023, Mr. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and also would like to thank the
malam suben belakang the MISS KYF 2023 pangceng ponapo. Don malitum nili nang ada bang kenali tuhan mesen ben video nang short pidun po.
Education Department, Mr. Richard Tokpi, in loving memory of late Biru Singh. Judges for the MISS KYF 2023. Kandu be nalitum secretary pen alang litum pan ning pathe ponduka alang litum nilo pilingkan MISS KYF 2023 ke judge ponje bangpu tumlo.
Okay, yang di siban.
So now our three lovely judges will have captured this one moment.
Thank you so much. I would like to request, yes, the volunteers and the beauty of the Jagviya song to please felicitate our beloved judges.
Autonomous Council, Mr. Penpiga Rengma, to kindly join with our three lovely judges who will also be judging the MISS KYF 2023 this year. Please welcome and state, sir.
I would like Thank you.
Thank you, judges. Now, I would like to request all the four of you to kindly take your seats up there as we start the MISS KYF 2023. Thank you, judges. Can we have you on your respective seats? MISS KYF 2023!
Yes!
Nang lito masay, lapo agad lo mas.
Yes!
Pangkilang Japan.
Yes!
Lahem lo nilitung ginanji. Tamte, first round pang cheng for now. Kitching siya round. Laki, MISS KYF Kung Ripi traditional costume round. Lapen ke introduction. Non kitching siya round na bangke. Dak kacapate abak pia tuman alang litum non traditional teki ilitum methang karbi pindeng sumpot nang chipindeng pamsi ladak ilitum atekno kitching si alang litum raje mumang nang chapaklang ponipo lapen ke alang li ilitum pen alang litum amen nang titan pensi titan jemomba bakte. Shall we get it started?
Yes, of course. But please tell me that the program of the Kachuding Regan too. But Kachuding Regan is how much है?
For creating such an opportunity for the beautiful girls of Karbi Anglong. It's a platform that Jagviya song is given. I thank every one of the members. Present with us this evening, the President and Secretary of Jagviya song.
Alang lihan lo, Pinky Das, alang liki, National Miss Senior Universe 2018. Cepalong abang pilo, alang lista mi, ito mga judges long joint gansi. Piningli labang so, MISS KYF 2023 judge. Ado tu?
Ang sisigan, start on ni kan jalan.
Thank you so much.
Alang lista ang tukang say. Ilitum lamang so MISS KYF 2023 along mbong pen inudlo kasi alang lipan sa kami alang liting kaching ni ji pansi January panlo.